So hello and good morning students. In today's class we are going to discuss some probable type of questions which you will get in your second assessment October 2020. Okay, so in that particular test you will get some objective type questions, some multiple type questions, okay, and some short question answer and one word answer also. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the objective type questions from book only. Okay, and for question answer you can go through the questions given in the book and side by side go through the keyword section and thorough reading of the chapters. Clear? So now let's start. So we are going to start from chapter cell structure and function. So first one is fill in the blanks. Cells of organisms are different in shape and size. Skin cells cover a large area and are thus flat in shape. Nerve cells are the longest cell in the human body. So cells that have a well-defined nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. A dry mount is generally used for viewing an inanimate objects. A cell wall is the outermost covering of a cell. Cell division is responsible for growth of organisms. Clear? So I think you have done this question answer. Okay, this objective of question. So please check and go through your answers. Okay. Then choose the correct option. So true and false will not come. That's why we are leaving that one. So in which of these terms do cells shows variation both in number and shape and size? That's why C is the correct option. A and B. Which of these are prokaryotics? Bacteria and blue-green algae. Which of these are organelles found in nucleus? Chromatin and nucleolus. Which of these are commonly used stains for making a slide? Iodine solution in saffronin. Which of these are plastids found only in plant cell? All of these: chloroplast, chromoplast, and nucleoplast. Which of these are the longest cell in human body? Nerve cells. Which of these are the neither eukaryotics or no prokaryotics? Viruses. Which of these is true about living cells? They contain both living and non-living parts. They contain cytoplasm and nucleus. They have an outer cell membrane. So all of these are correct. That's why all of this is the correct option. Which of these cells organelle contain enzyme that digest cells and cellular materials? It is lysosomes. Which of these initiate and regulate cell division in animal cell? Chromosomes. One word answers. The smallest structural and functional unit of an organism is cell. Organism whose body consists of many cells is multicellular. Cell that lack a well-defined nucleus is prokaryotic. A living membrane-bound body that have a definite shape and function, it is organelle. The process of preparing the specimen on a slide, it is mounting. Non-green pigments in plants that gives color to flower and fruits, it's chromoplast. They initiate cell division in animals, it is chromosomes. So these are the questions from this chapter. Okay, then chapter number 11, pressure. Choose the correct option. The pressure exerted depends on the force and the area over which it acts. Atmospheric pressure acts downwards. Rubber sockets stick to a smooth surface because of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. Skies have a large area so as to decrease the pressure on the snow. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. If we increase the area over which the force at the pressure decreases, if we increase the force acting over a certain given area, the pressure produced increases. Liquid and gases together are called fluids. In order to cut through a material easily, the edge of the knife should have very small area. And one word answer. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The pressure exerted by an object by the weight of the air above it, it is atmospheric pressure. Height above the sea level, it is altitude. And the general name for an instrument used to measure pressure, it is open tube manometer. Okay, and there are some question answers which you need to prepare for your test. Okay, so this much for today. So, and okay, so this much for today, and all the best for your upcoming test. So okay, bye bye, take care. Okay, now chapter number 10, force and friction. Choose the correct option. When two forces in the same direction act on an object, then the resultant magnitude of the force acting on the object is the sum of the two forces. Gravitational force is a non-contact force. This is an example of contact force friction. The force in our body be due to gravitational force. Static friction acts when a body is stationary. The SI unit of force is Newton. We can expect the force of friction to be greater for an object moving on a surface if the surface in contact are rough and object is heavier. This force makes the earth to go around the sun, gravitational force. The streamlined shape is given to automobile in order to reduce drag. Ball bearings are used to reduce frictions. Okay, and this define the following terms you'll prepare for test. Okay, and this question answers.